if you have an engineering degree, you can do anything. If you had told me that you could work on housing insecurity as an engineer, especially an industrial engineer, I would have said you're crazy. You know, it's very true. You can really work, especially with an ISE degree, but even in general, you know, any engineering degree really opens so many doors for you.
My name is Sat Sugita. I graduated with a bachelor's in industrial and systems engineering from Temple in 2022, and I currently work for Tree Swift Inc.
So my name's Drzymalski. I graduated in 1992 with a bachelor's of science in mechanical engineering from Polytechnic University, and my PhD from Lehigh University in 2008 in industrial and systems engineering, and I currently work as the director and a professor of instruction at Temple University. So I went into engineering, and because I like to take things apart, I went into mechanical engineering, and the choices were fairly limited also at that time. So I did it, and I actually really enjoyed it. And but it turns out I really liked the math component of it, like the equation kind of derivation component of it, a lot better. And so, long story short, fast forward to my PhD, and I had learned about throughout my career industrial and systems engineering and the many applications that you can do with it. And industrial and systems engineering is really also more of an applied math.
I went to a science school, so we were required to take a science course. So I just had to pick and choose amongst STEM courses, and engineering made the most sense career-wise and like in terms of interests. I found out about industrial engineering pretty early on because it's one of the most popular programs that people from my high school go to, and when I figured out what it actually was, of like just being a very more general optimization type thing, that resonated with me a lot, because I am the type of person, if I have to get from point A to point B, I will find the quickest way to get there. I won't go any extra route. So my mindset has always been find the quickest way to get there, be most efficient, optimize, and when I heard there was a major designed specially for that, I was like, that's it, that's the one that I want to do.
And now you apply that to all aspects of your life.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, pretty much.
It annoys people.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. If you had told me that you could work on housing insecurity as an engineer, especially an industrial engineer, I would have told you you're crazy. So I think, you know, it's very true. You can really work, especially with an ISE degree, but even in general, you know, any engineering degree really opens so many doors for you. So in the next 50 years, I really hope that engineering starts to use its practices for humanitarian efforts more, that the increase in the use of engineering for humanitarian efforts like world poverty is increased, because I think that will open up doors for more engineers, making it more accessible for people to get into engineering, and thereby helping to solve more humanitarian problems that we have across the globe.
My hope in the next 50 years is for education as a whole, but also engineering as a major, as an industry, to be widely accessible and to provide opportunities for everyone, especially the ones who need it, and for the quality of that education to be up par and basically make sure we have all the engineers that we need. An extra thing on that is I do wish that systems thinking mindset gets integrated all across all platforms of education, because that's something that I think makes people better people. It gives you a holistic mindset of the world around you, and if in the next 50 years everyone thought like that, the world will be a much better place.
Absolutely. Nicely timed.